This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress, and today I'm going to talk about Elementor Pro dynamic content. Let's get started. Now, what is dynamic content? Dynamic content lets you take content from somewhere on your WordPress website or your backend and automatically insert it into your Elementor design. In simpler terms, dynamic content is the content that changes based on data from your site or user behavior, just like this. Still doesn't make sense, right? Let me simplify it even more with an example. When you're making a dashboard page for your user, you would want to display the name and the profile image of that particular user, right? You don't want to set the same image across everybody's personal dashboard. That's where dynamic content comes into play. It makes life easier by creating user interactive pages, which may help you attract more and more audience for your website. By the way, dynamic content is an Elementor Pro feature, so it doesn't come with a free version. So, if you're someone still considering whether or not you should go for the Pro version of Elementor, I will link a video about Elementor Pro features in the description to make you ease your purchase. So, let me show you one of the many practical use cases of dynamic content and how it works. Let's head over to Elementor and start editing. So we are inside Elementor editing an e-commerce website, which is from Astra theme, and I've set up Ultimate Member plugin to set up user interaction and registration of customer. If you don't know Ultimate Member, I will link a tutorial that will teach you the basics of Ultimate Member and how you can use it. Also, I've installed Elementor Pro. If you haven't yet bought or installed Elementor Pro yet, I will link the plugins website in the description. Head over there and choose your plan. Click on buy now. Complete your purchase. And then go to dashboard, go to plugins, add new. Click on upload plugin and choose the downloaded zip file. And then click on install now. So enough talk, let's start exploring dynamic content. So we're going to use dynamic tags to make this static looking website to life. So for example, I want to change this header and I'm going to add the user's name. That is, when a user is logged in, his name will appear in this header. So for that, I will click on this header. And you can see there's an icon that says dynamic tags. Let's click on that. And here you can see the number of dynamic tags that are available. There's post, custom field, date, ID, terms, time. There's dynamic tags for archive and site and media, author also, and for WooCommerce. We're going to use these in the upcoming videos and create super amazing websites. For now, we're going to use this user info. Let's click on this arrow. And as you can see, the basic title that wasn't very much dynamic, it was just plain looking text. We're going to replace it with some dynamic content. Let's click on this wrench icon And here we have settings. I'm going to add display name. So these are the information that you can display on your page. Using the user info dynamic tag, you can display name, ID, username, first name, last name, bio, email, website, and user metadata. I would not recommend adding user metadata anywhere on your website as it might affect privacy. So let's just add a display name. As you can see, 𝗀𝘂𝗀𝗃 is my admin name since I'm logged in as an admin. As you can see, let's go to advanced and explore the options. And here you can add what is written before the display name, after the display name, and I will explain fallback in a minute. Let's add some before and after. Let's change some style to make this look good. And let's go back to advanced settings of the dynamic tag. I'm going to add a little bit of space so that they are in separate lines. So now what is fallback? In case your user hasn't logged in yet, the fallback will appear. Let me show you what that means. So I've set up fallback. Let's click on update. And I'm going to open a website in new tab. So as you can see, fallback appears whenever we are logged out. That means the website has no information about the user. Let's change the fallback a little bit so it looks better. Let's click on update. And as you can see, the fallback has appeared. So let us log in and check out the dynamic content that we added. Let's click on register. So I'm going to register for this. So we have logged in. Let's go to the website once again. And as you can see, my name has appeared. So that is the beauty of dynamic content. If I've added a username in this, it will appear here. So whenever any number of users log into your website or register for your website, their name will appear here, which is really good in terms of user interaction. It makes your website more intuitive and interactive. So in the upcoming videos, we will use dynamic content. We will unleash the power of WordPress with dynamic content and create amazing looking e-commerce website. And we're also going to upgrade a blog website that we created to make it look better than it is. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.